Have you ever sat in your car and thought, I wonder what else this car can do? Most drivers don't realize their vehicles are packed with hidden features, small, clever, or even life-saving tools that can make driving safer, easier, and more fun. In this video, we're counting down the 17 secret car features you're probably missing out on. From tech tricks that make your ride smoother to safety features that could prevent accidents, these are the kinds of details that make a real difference in your everyday driving. Stick around until the end, because feature number 1 might completely change how you use your car every single day. Number 17, hidden USB ports. Many modern cars come with extra USB ports hidden in unexpected places. Beyond the obvious center console, check under the seats, in glove boxes, or even in the side panels. These hidden ports are perfect for charging devices discreetly, powering dash cams, or keeping passengers happy without cluttering the cabin. Some cars even have USB-C ports in the rear, which means your backseat passengers can charge laptops, tablets, or phones without asking you to share the front console. If you haven't explored every corner of your car yet, you could be missing a simple but incredibly useful convenience. Number 16, hands-free trunk release. If you've ever struggled to open your trunk with both hands full, you'll love this feature. Many SUVs and sedans let you open the trunk without touching it. Just wave your foot under the bumper. It sounds simple, but this feature is a lifesaver when juggling groceries, sports gear, or luggage. Even some smaller hatchbacks now have this hands-free option. And while it may seem like a luxury feature, it's surprisingly common in modern cars. Yet most drivers assume they still need keys or buttons. Once you discover it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 15, memory seat settings. If more than one person drives your car, memory seat settings are a game changer. You can save your preferred seat position, mirror angles, and even steering wheel height. One button press, and everything adjusts automatically. Luxury cars like the BMW X5 and Audi Q7 have had this for years, but mid-range models are catching up. Drivers often ignore it because they think it's complicated, but it takes seconds to set up and saves minutes of frustrating adjustments every time you switch drivers. Number 14, rear seat reminder alerts. This feature could literally save lives. Modern cars are starting to include sensors that detect if someone or something is left in the back seat. It could be a child, a pet, or even valuables. When you exit the vehicle, the car alerts you if anything is detected, preventing tragic accidents and forgotten items. Many parents and pet owners don't realize this feature exists, but it's becoming a must-have safety tool in newer models. Number 13, auto-dimming rear-view mirror. If you drive at night, you know how annoying bright headlights from cars behind you can be. An auto-dimming rear-view mirror automatically adjusts to reduce glare, improving visibility and reducing eye strain. Some mirrors pair with navigation and backup cameras, so you get a smarter driving experience without constantly adjusting your mirror manually. If yours hasn't dimmed automatically yet, it's worth checking your settings. It could make a big difference in night driving safety. Number 12, adaptive cruise control. Traditional cruise control keeps a car at a constant speed. Adaptive cruise control, on the other hand, adjusts your speed based on traffic conditions, maintaining a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. It's perfect for highway drives, especially in heavy traffic. While many assume this is only available in luxury vehicles, mid-range sedans and SUVs increasingly include it. Drivers often don't activate it because they think it's complicated, but once you try it, long drives become far less stressful. Number 11, lane keep assist. Lane keep assist uses cameras to detect lane markings and gently nudges your steering if you drift. This isn't a replacement for attentive driving, but it's a fantastic safety net, especially on long trips or when you're tired. Some drivers overlook it entirely, thinking it's only for new cars or luxury models. Activating it can prevent accidents caused by drowsy driving or distraction, making it one of those hidden features you don't want to miss. Number 10, heated and cooled cup holders. It may sound like a gimmick, but heated and cooled cup holders are surprisingly convenient. Hot coffee stays warm, cold drinks stay chilled, and you don't have to worry about spills while fumbling with a travel mug. This feature is more common than you'd expect, especially in SUVs and higher trims of sedans. It's a small touch, but it adds comfort to your daily commute and makes road trips much more enjoyable. Number 9. Built-in dash cams. Some newer vehicles now include integrated dash cameras, recording driving automatically. This is perfect for insurance claims, accident documentation, or even just capturing scenic drives. Many drivers don't know this feature exists because it's hidden in the vehicle's infotainment system. If you haven't explored your settings, you might be missing out on free built-in protection for your car. Number 8. Rear cross-traffic alerts. Backing out of tight parking spots can be stressful. Rear cross-traffic alerts detect cars, pedestrians, or cyclists approaching from the side and alert you in time to avoid a collision. Even some smaller sedans now come equipped with this feature. Many drivers ignore it because they don't realize their car can sense sideways motion. Using it can prevent accidents in busy parking lots, a simple feature that often goes unnoticed. Number 7. Automatic emergency braking. Automatic emergency braking. A EB can stop your car before a collision happens. Using sensors, your car detects potential crashes and applies the brakes automatically. It works at city speeds, highway speeds, and even in parking lots. Some drivers think this is only in high-end cars, but it's increasingly common in mainstream vehicles. It's a life-saving feature many people aren't taking full advantage of. Number 6. Wireless phone charging. No more tangled cords or searching for adapters. Wireless charging pads allow you to power your phone simply by placing it in the designated spot. Some cars can even detect multiple devices and prioritize which one to charge first. Many drivers don't know this exists in their own vehicle. Once you use wireless charging, you'll never go back to cables. It's a simple feature that makes your daily commute much more convenient. Number 5. Automatic high beams. Switching between high and low beams can be annoying, especially on long night drives. Automatic high beams adjust themselves when detecting oncoming traffic, ensuring maximum visibility without blinding other drivers. This feature is often overlooked because drivers assume they need to control every light manually. Activating it can make night driving safer and far less stressful. Number 4. Voice-activated features. Modern cars come with voice assistants that control navigation, music, phone calls, and climate. You can keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Some drivers think it's only for luxury cars, but even many mid-range sedans and SUVs now include smart voice controls. Learning a few simple commands can save time, reduce distraction, and make driving a lot more enjoyable. Number 3. Hidden storage compartments. From underseat drawers to secret cubbies in doors or consoles, most cars have hidden storage areas you may not know about. These are perfect for valuables, paperwork, electronics, or emergency tools. Drivers often only use visible compartments, missing clever storage options that keep your car organized. Once you explore your vehicle fully, these hidden spots can make a big difference in convenience. Number 2. Remote start with climate control. Remote start with climate control allows you to preheat or cool your car before getting inside. In winter or summer, this can save you from freezing seats or scorching steering wheels. Many drivers don't know their key fob or phone app can do this. Activating remote start is simple, and it's one of those features that makes every commute more comfortable. Number 1. Smart key detection features. The ultimate hidden feature is smart key detection. Your car can detect the key in your pocket or bag and unlock doors automatically. Some models even prevent the car from locking if a key is inside, avoiding accidental lockouts. This small convenience adds a huge amount of ease to everyday driving. It may seem minor, but once you experience it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Cars today are full of hidden features that many drivers completely miss. From life-saving tech like lane keep assist and automatic braking, to convenience tools like wireless charging and heated cup holders, these small details can transform your driving experience. Taking a few minutes to explore your car's manual or settings might reveal tools you didn't even know existed. Miss them, and you're leaving convenience, safety, and comfort on the table. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Your car is smarter than you think, and we're here to show you how to use it to the fullest.